U.S. helicopters manufacturer Bell has showcased its cutting-edge high-speed vertical takeoff and landing technology testing at Holloman Air Force Base. Bell's HSVTOL technology blends helicopter hover capability with jet-like speed, range, and survivability, offering a paradigm shift in vertical lift capability. India has successfully completed their first test of a solar-powered pseudo-satellite UAV that can significantly increase the surveillance and monitoring capabilities for India, especially at the border areas. Russian new air defense system, S-350 Vityaz, exploded on an anti-tank mine. The incident caused severe damage to the mobile launcher chassis. The Russians stumbled upon the minefield while moving during the nighttime. China has warned the Philippines against playing with fire amid reports that Manila plans to bolster its military deployment on strategically important islands it controls near Taiwan. The U.S. Navy took delivery of a batch of global autonomous reconnaissance crafts. The unmanned GARC boasts a full load displacement of 3,600 pounds with top speed exceeding 35 knots, and a formidable range of over 400 nautical miles at 30 knots.